Andrew grew his revenue from $190,000 to $700,000 of revenue in his exterior cleaning business. Go ahead and check out this interview, exactly how he did it.
What's going on, Andrew? How you doing, man?
I'm doing well, Lennon.
Excellent. Another HSBC interview. Doing well. Andrew, why don't we start off? Tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, what you guys do.
My name is Andrew Rubio. We're based in Orlando, Florida. What started as just a pressure washing company has expanded to now we do full landscape and hardscape installations. We do patios, driveways, retaining walls. We can do a little bit of everything outdoors, but we just focus on building you a nice oasis at home.
I love that. And your colors, what are your colors? I love your colors.
We're pink, and our mascot's a flamingo, so
Yep.
So we got a branding okay, but I definitely have learned to grow the company, and people love who we are. You know?
Yeah, absolutely. Because Andrew, you are how old?
24 years old.
24, and when did you start?
I started when I was 19, but I didn't start taking it serious till about 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
And how's the last 2 years been for you for business?
Pretty good as far as revenue numbers. 2024, we finished right above 190,000. 2025, we jumped up right above 700,000.
Man, come on, Andrew.
Yeah,
come
so it's a
on.
big difference.
When did you join HSBC?
I actually, funny enough, I was telling Dave I joined about 4 months ago, but I looked, it was late July.
Yeah.
But the whole August, unfortunately, I didn't lock in and I didn't do anything. So I started taking the courses, started doing the video calls in September.
Yeah.
So about 3-4 months.
Yeah, absolutely, Andrew. And I know that we spoke previously.
We did.
So that leads me to my next question. How long were you around us, and what was kind of ultimately that final thing of like, you know what, I am going to do this thing?
Yes, definitely a few things. I think seeing Dave, taking on his free content, the podcast, the YouTube videos, the interviews, I was already implementing a lot of that to my business, or at least trying to. And I knew that if I could take that next step and invest into a program like Home Service Business Coach, I knew it was going to drastically make a difference and a lot faster. So I think that was the final decision. It's like, you know what, I can take this far by myself, but I know I can take it even farther with a team behind me.
And that takes a lot of humility.
100%.
Well too, Andrew. Yeah, so well done. And then obviously, we've been speaking off camera, and the big thing that has stood out to me, Andrew, with yourself, and it was just like we spoke with Gus as well too, it's the same thing. It's this piece of humility. It's this, look, I'm not doing bad. And I think people maybe have this misconception of coaching is like, coaching's for people, businesses that suck.
Yeah.
It's not. It's also for guys like yourself, like the Gus's. You guys are growing on your own, but again, want to take it to that next level so that when you continue to build the house, you can get it to a point that is stable, predictable. Because what is your long-term
goal for my business, at least this business specifically, I think as I mature, I think I want to take it another 5-6 years around when I'm 30 and then hopefully exit.
So it is the exit,
If exit, or put a good manager in place and see how much time I can keep hands-on with it. But if it's something where it's just not in my passion, or just don't have the time for it, I'd rather sell it to somebody that has a passion to keep building what I've built.
Absolutely. Give you that choice.
100%.
That choice, baby.
The choice. That's the main thing.
Absolutely, man. And if you could sum up your initial experience, first time obviously in Vancouver, you brought your fiance, I guess a little vacation.
Yeah, both business and vacation, but it's beautiful. As far as summing up my experience for the summit, it's indescribable. Honestly, it's not just the city, but the people around, the networking, the information, and all the strategies that were given these past 2 days has truly opened my eyes to a lot of things that I want to start implementing into my own business. So it's truly been an eye-opening experience.
Yeah, absolutely. Can you give us a hint of maybe one of the things you're looking at?
Service plans are very cool to me, but I think the most important one is just keep growing, keep hiring. Don't be afraid to hire, because I know I may need to fire people, and I'm okay with that. But I think it's just taking that risk to keep growing, keep adding more to my team, keep adding more to my brand, and just scaling from there.
Yeah, absolutely. Somebody's on the fence, Andrew. Maybe they're like yourself. You have multiple conversations with us. What would you tell them?
I would say don't be hesitant, because just like in anything, we're always hesitant. There's many courses, there's many programs out there, I'm sure. But with this program specifically that stands out is the community, the people around. We're all like-minded. We're all on a similar mission. And I think just having that on your side with all the free resources and all the actual coaching, all the weekly meetings, that has truly been a game changer for me in the past 3-4 months since I've joined.
Yeah, absolutely. Since you took it seriously.
Yeah, since I took it seriously. And no, believe it or not, in the past 3-4 months, my coach is able to push me to make that hire for my office manager, and she's been great. You know, something that I was a little more hesitant, and I probably wouldn't have done it as fast as I did if I wasn't in the program. So it was a big push, and it's a big motivator to keep going. And
love that. Love that. You got nothing but hardships and bright things ahead as well.
Exactly. And I'm prepared for that. As a business owner, you have to be prepared to take risk. And I think with not just joining the program, but like you said before, it's not about if you're doing bad as a business owner, it's about how far do you want to take it. You know, if you're happy staying on the truck, or if you're happy with your one helper, that's fine. But for the people that truly want to build a good team, build a business bigger than themselves, I would highly recommend joining HSBC and definitely coming to the summit.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. Besides business, what's some area of life that maybe has stood out to you? Business aside, at the summit, is anything else? Because I can tell you from what I've seen from you, but I want to hear it from you.
It's definitely super cold out here, but it's beautiful. You know, I honestly didn't know what to expect. I didn't do much research into Vancouver. I just knew I wanted to make that summit. I had to get here one way or another, and I don't regret it. You know, it's been a great experience. I'd love to come back.
Love that. Love that. Okay. Appreciate you, Andrew. Thank you very much. It's always great.
Sir. Absolutely, man. Thank you for having me.
Well, thanks for stopping by. We've now worked with over 500 exterior cleaning companies and helped them scale up from being owner-operator to actually putting a team in place and building a $500,000 to $750,000 exterior cleaning business. And here's the best part, that doesn't always rely on the owner being there and doing everything. I want you to check out down below the countless stories from our successful members who took that journey from growing from owner-operator and being able to build a business that doesn't constantly rely on them. So go ahead and check out these stories.